we are making Sajoer lodeh today. Okay, the ingredients we need is first ansjovis, fried tofu, fish balls from Dodo, they are the nicest, dan vermicelli, this is garlic and ginger. We need carrots, witte kool, cabbage, sorry, boontjes,
French beans,
fish balls, and fried onions, and a big pan. So we are going to do that today. And okay, that's it actually. And I forgot 2 onions.
Okay, we are making Sajoer lodeh Southeast Asian style, and it is vegetables in coconut sauce, and the flavor will come from the anchovies, which I have washed and grinded, and these are the vegetables that will go into it. Shredded cabbage, I've got French beans, it has to be around this size, and carrots that are sliced and then cut into half, and this is fried tahu, which we bought from the Chinese Oriental supermarket in Rotterdam. This is the fish ball, which we bought from the Chinese supermarket, and that is the vermicelli, which is soaking in water. Here we have sliced or chopped onions, and this one is ginger and garlic paste, which we did last year and then we froze it. Also fried shallots, gebakken oudjes, and then I'll be using olive oil and salt for flavoring. I will also use a bit of celery leaves at the end of it, but doing it my style because we are not living in Southeast Asia and we don't get all the ingredients that we actually need. So now I hope you enjoy the cooking method and probably also make for yourself. It's a very simple dish.
Later we have to add Tumeric, chili pepper and coconut cream powder. After the onions are chopped, add the garlic and ginger. Now we can add the anchovies.
Yeah. I added a bit of water so it doesn't burn. Now I'm adding the vegetables. French beans. Cabbage. Add a lot of water. I'll be adding half a teaspoon of chili powder. And a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, just for the color. If it needs more, I'll adjust later.
So fishball, tahu, vermicelli added after 20 minutes. Now we let it cook for another 15 minutes.
And add coconut milk.
And add the coconut milk.
The vermicelli will turn transparent. And then serve with boiled eggs. I'll be adding more water. I added the Cabbige ouches and a bit of celery, chopped celery leaves, and a bit more coconut. I bought a coconut powder, Kara brand from Malaysia. Okay, I'm switching it off now.
Okay. Bye bye. See you next time.